Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to cook Kor Tofu and bamboo.
What the ingredient that we have?
The ingredient that we have: tofu, palm sugar, dry bamboo, green onion, lemon leaf, water from mushroom, dry mushroom, garlic, soy sauce, black pepper and salt.
What we gonna do next?
First, we saute the garlic. And we add palm sugar. And we add tofu. And add bamboo. And we add mushroom. Add the water from mushroom. And add the lemon leaf. And we add the water. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Now it is finished. And add soy sauce, and add the black pepper, and now we serve. Now sprinkle green onion. Now Kor tofu and bamboo is finished. I hope you make it at home. Thank you for watching.